That's knocked away. Nelson comes up with the steal and forces the turnover. Loose ball picked up on the other end of the floor. This is Linder. Drive to the basket, left-hand shot for Wright. Sanaya Jackson drives inside, comes up short, and Crone rips away the board. A second chance for Wright, and the basket is good. They get the ball across the timeline to Hoover, and that jump in the state of Indiana. That shot no good. Hoover with the rebound, and the jump. Stevens, a contested three, has it. Bea Jackson dives for the floor, but it's recovered by Linder. And a transition. Fordyce slows down. Drive to the basket. The shot gets blocked, and it goes out of bounds.
Bounce pass. Again, deflected there. This one by Sanaya Jackson. That shot. This is Fordyce. Fife now with it. She'll put it on the deck, gets to the rim, blocked. Be aggressive offensively. Marshall. There's a drive count. Marshall. Post entry. Up. Under. Excellent.
Three ball. Front rim, no good. Pulled down. Linder, a little 14-foot jumper. Absolutely capable. That's what makes Snyder High School so difficult with their loose ball. Little picks it up. Stolen by Donahue, but blocked by Hoover. Donahue into Smith.